was Misty by Erroll Garner. So I've put together a pretty simple chord melody for you to play. You're more than welcome to learn this and take it in your own direction, but this could give you some basic things and some pretty, I think, interesting chord voicings as well. Please remember to like and subscribe and check out the member area as well. We're going to work through this step by step, and I'm going to have the tablature and notation and all that along with it, and then we'll have a little bit of a play along section. So we're going to start here in third position, stretching out here. Play with the pinky, and then we're going to play the melody note on fret 3 with finger 1. And then we're going to move to E flat major 13. Move up to position 5. Play a couple of single notes, and then we're going to form B flat minor. I'm going to grab fret 8 on string 1 with finger 4, and then we're going to pivot over. Okay, position 5, move to position 2, and then we're going to land on the A flat major 9. So this might be a little bit of a stretch for the fingers, but you can play that. You can alternatively play this chord here in 4th position. I'm going to play the single note run up here. So I'm in 5th position there, playing those notes, and then move into 4th position. Move into 3rd position. Then we're moving to 6th position. I'm going to kind of bring the pinky out, catch a couple of melody notes. So now I'm playing string 1, fret 6 with the 1st finger. Shift to the C minor 7 chord in 3rd position. Finger 4 again. Finger 1, string 1. And then we have F minor 7. F minor. Really just keeping finger 3 as a placeholder there. Moving up to position 3 here. I'm just going to borrow the 4th finger from string 4. Then I'm going to play this with 2nd finger, try to keep that note rolling. 2nd finger, string 2. Play a C7. So these are just kind of small voicings. Play that a couple times. Land on the B flat. And then we're moving back again to play letter A again. So we have E flat major 13. This chord might feel a little too edgy for you. You can always lower this note to E flat. Okay, and then we're going to A flat major 7. Okay, playing this run again here. Okay, 4th position. 3rd position. Playing this E flat. Bring the pinky out again. Finger 1, string 1, fret 6. C minor 7, 3rd position. 6. Okay, F minor 7. F minor 7, they were playing B flat 9. And here we'll have slightly different ending. E flat 6. We're going to try to keep that string 2 going. Okay, and then we're going to play these single notes. B flat minor 7. Now you could remain on that chord the whole time and keep placing finger 4 and string 2, get a little movement going. Okay, B flat minor 7, and then we're going to play E flat, 7 flat 9, A flat major 7, using individual fingers so I can set up these chords that are coming up. Okay, we're going to lift that, hold the pinky, and play those 2 little harmonic pairs there. Okay, A flat 6. Single line melody again. Melody is slightly different than before. Gonna pluck this again, and then up here. So I'm gonna strum that again, and then back up to position 10. Play this. Melody notes go up to position 13, and then B flat 13, E flat diminished 7, F minor 9, and B flat 13. So that's the B section. Then we're back on the A section. There's the B flat, E flat major 13. Single melody notes. B flat minor, E flat, moving down, A flat major 7, or A flat major 9. A flat minor 9, E flat major 7, C minor 7, F minor, B flat 9, and then we're going to land on E flat. So definitely work out an ending or start a solo if it's the first time through during that part there. Hey, if you made it all the way to the end, you're doing great. Thanks for checking this out. Let me know how you're doing on the tune. Let me know how you may have changed it to make it more your own. And I'll see you all in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.